Welcome to Coffee and Tea with Amber and Jimmy.
So coffee for us and tea for you.
Today we're drinking
Kauai coffee, a Hawaiian coffee brand, I guess, but we bought it at Kroger and it's actually pretty good. It's not bad.
We are a family who loves our coffee, so we will definitely share with you guys some different brands that we like to try, and maybe you guys can get some good ideas of different coffee brands to try. But our main goal for this series is to spill the tea, which stands for truth. But as women, we like to say tea, like the dirt or the details about insurance, our company, Junah Capital, and a little bit about our lives. So we're here in Texas, and we have 3 beautiful children and 2 fur babies. And I am also a first grade teacher. I've been in education for about 13 years, and it's really been a great crossover into the health and life, being able to educate and show my clients about their options for health and life. But I joined my husband on this venture for our business, Junah Capital.
And some of the tea behind my background, and I'm the stepdad in this family and love this family to death. And, I've been in Texas 22 years now at this point, but originally an East Coaster from Maryland, D.C. area. Loved growing up on the East Coast, but also couldn't wait to get out. Lived in Colorado for a few years, come from a big family, 4 sisters and a brother, all successful and families themselves, probably 20 some grandkids at this point. We started Junah Capital as it relates to really wanting to help our family grow financially, using insurance in the right way. But, helping small business owners, middle market business owners, really have a one-stop shop for services that they now go to often multiple different carriers or resources, whether it's business insurance, life insurance, health insurance, loan consulting, retirement planning, tax planning. So we have resources for all of those things so that you as a business owner can really, stop spending as much time looking for multiple sources for these services and going to one place where we can help streamline your business and improve hopefully your cash flow and allow you to spend more time on your business and growing your business.
Yes, so we know as a business owner, you guys don't only have your business and your family there that you want to take care of, like your employees, your staff, and your business partners, but you also have a personal side of your family that you want to protect and all of your assets. So that's where we can come in and we can help provide resources for you guys to make sure that you aren't spending that precious time that you have to run your company on 20 different companies that you're trying to contact, keep up with renewals. That's where our business will come in and help provide that professionalism and that service for you to take care of all of your insurance needs.
Yeah, and so we're a family-run business, but we have a business partner in Henry Yu. Henry is awesome. Henry has been a financial services expert for probably 20 years at this point. He was a commercial vice president at Chase and providing business loan services, business loans for obviously small middle market businesses, including startups. Henry now has been consulting on his own to help those businesses, much like the insurance brokerage side, looking for resources to find the best rates at different local and regional banks, to obviously provide exemplary, fast service so that, again, you can focus on your business and growing your business and while getting the financing that you need as fast as possible for the best rates. So that's what Henry can do for you. We can also, Henry has resources in the private equity world that if you're looking for a private equity investment, or sometimes now private equity groups are providing some of these capital resources to businesses in a little bit different capacity, whereas it's much harder to get loans from the bigger banks today. So there are multiple lending opportunities out there, and we can help you with that. And Henry is an expert in that field.
So what would you say if someone came to your company and was kind of like, well, how can you put that much attention into my needs when I need health and life, and I need business, and I need a loan? So what can our services provide, and how do you kind of divvy up your time to make sure that we're giving each of our companies the time and devotion that they need?
Yeah, so, obviously a great question. So I handle, for the most part, the business insurance and the personal home and auto insurance of business owners and their families. And there's a lot of different needs within that those niches as well. So Amber is handling life and health, specifically helping with health insurance for your family, for an individual. Obviously, it's very complex and complicated, but both of us have multiple resources. So even on the business insurance side, even though we're contracted with 50 some carriers for business insurance and for personal home and auto, we're contracted with 30 some carriers on the life and health side. So, but sometimes the needs of a business or a family or an individual may not be met by any of those particular carriers. And so we have other resources that we can go to. So I have some business partners actually that I've worked with in the area that may have other resources and may have an expertise in a particular niche that just is difficult to insure. Obviously, a lot of high-risk areas that are difficult to insure mean most carriers aren't going to insure you. And so you're going to spend a lot of time looking for a policy to cover something that's high risk. And today, a lot of carriers are eliminating that out of their appetite completely, or dropping out of the entire state, which sometimes happens. And especially on the personal home and auto side, you have multiple carriers dropping out of obviously coastal areas because of hurricanes, and it just costs them a lot of money. But so again, we have the resources behind us, business partners, but including with Impact Legacy Group, Advisors Excel, that can help us with if we've got our plate full as well. So our plate is never too full for you, and Henry's got resources as well. So as our plate begins to fill up, our company will begin to grow, and we'll be here to continue to provide the support that your business needs for any of those services. And we have resources that we'd like to obviously give a lot of credit to these resources and these partnerships. So we have partnerships, number one, with the Polaris Agency, which is Steve and Amy Knersch. So you may have seen Amy on Cody Askins, but they have been providing support for us, information, contracting, just godly support for us. They've been exceptional for us. We love them to death, and we hope to be able to really return the favor just by being successful and doing our part and helping families and businesses with the tools that they've helped us with, which is life insurance, health insurance, Medicare insurance, and of course business insurance as well. So, but they're also contracted and partnered with their friends, the Impact Legacy Group, run by really Brian Askins, but Cody Askins' dad, their family, and they've grown that business to an exceptionally phenomenal, probably leading insurance, marketing group that also provides support and contracting for life and health insurance, including ACA in the marketplace and annuities. And so they've contracted and helped us partner with Advisors Excel, which is a phenomenal organization. These organizations have hundreds of people that provide retirement planning, tax planning, can really help you with things like IULs, index universal life policies, to help you with an income stream if you need it. If it's structured properly, you can really protect your family and your business with these tools, including annuities. There's some bad annuities out there, but there's some exceptionally good annuities out there if it's set up in the right way for you. But so those are some of the groups, including Innovative Tax Group, that can help with wealth management, and that's Advisors Excel as well. But these are the tools that we can help you as a business owner and as a family really go to one source for these needs and these services that you can end up spending more time on your business and growing your business. And we can structure these resources for you in the right way to really support your business.
So what I hear you saying is that if we can't personally help you, you're going to make sure that we find people to help our customers.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, we can't help you directly with an annuity, with an index universal life policy, but we have experts that will get on the call with us and you, and let's determine through a review what really fits your business plan, fits your personal plan, your family plan. So, obviously things may pop up that an annuity may not be good for you, and you thought maybe that it was good for you. So, we'll gather together our resources and partners and come up with the best plan for you.
So you're not a bot where I can just go online and click a check mark.
Yeah, and that's right. And so what she's referring to is, a lot of times today people are looking for health policies online, and they're just run by bots. You click a box, and here's a policy that they recommend, and maybe it looks good for you, but these policies are complicated and often expensive. And if it's really cheap, it's probably not a good policy. However, what we do recommend, and we'll have follow-up episodes that will really provide in-depth understanding of life insurance and how to utilize it for your family, for your business, but for health insurance, whether it's ACA plans on the marketplace, group plans that can also come from the marketplace, but typically aren't very, efficient plans. You don't have a lot of resources for people to support you, but there's a lot of other plans out there provided by United Healthcare, Allstate, Aetna, that really provide good resources, and we can help you walk through those plans as well. So, we're just here to make sure that you understand what our company is set up to do, and that's to help families and business owners streamline their business by having one resources for the various professional services out there. And if we can't provide and help you directly, we have partners and resources that can certainly help you as experts in the field.
We're so excited to share these resources and this tea with you. If you have any burning questions or really some truth that you want to dive more into about insurance, we would love for you to email us your questions, and maybe your question will end up on one of these episodes where we can dive a little bit deeper into it. You can email us at afortato@junahcapital.com. I'll also post my email in the link that will be posted. And our next episode is going to be diving into more life and health behind our insurance company. So if you want to find out more tea, please click and subscribe to our channel.